Yes, coming to third problem. Write down and simplify the 14th term in the expansion 3 plus x whole power 15. We know the general term formula. I explained to you general term. So this is in the expansion is in the form x plus a whole power n. N is the 15, x equal to a and a equal to, we can take x equal to a or sorry x equal to 3, a equal to x. That is your choice. You can take x equal to x or a equal to 3. No problem. A plus x or x plus a both are same. So in this expansion, general term we have TR plus 1 formula is NCR. We know the formula TR plus 1. TR plus 1 formula is NCR. First term x power n minus r, a power r. We have the formula TR plus 1 is NCR, x power n minus r, a power r. Now you have to find the 14th term. Mana em find vachala 14th term. 14th term is something plus 1 and you can write something plus 1, t 13 plus 1. So n is what is given 15. C in place of r is 13. X means 3. Power 15 minus 13. A is x, power r means 13. Again I am repeating. TR plus 1 formula is NCR, x power n minus r, a power r. That is general term formula. 14th term you have to find. You are finding the 14th term. That means T4 can be written as something plus 1. 14 can be written as something plus 1. That is 13 plus 1. So in place of r now 13 here. N is 15, x is 3, a is x. Substitute on the formula. NCR means 15C 13. First term power 3 power difference of the both 15 minus 13. Second means x power suffix number 13. We know the formula NCR equal to NCn minus r. NCR equal to NCn minus r. Whenever r value is half of the more than n, r value is greater than n by 2. You can apply the formula. That formula you have to apply. 13 is the half of the more than 15, so you can write 15C 13 is 15C 13, 15 minus 13. That is what? 15C 2. 15C 2, 3 square, x power 13. Now coming to 15C 2 means 15 decreased by 2 times. That is 15 into 14 by 2 into 1 into 9, x power 13. 2 7 jar, 15 7 jar, 105 into 9, x power 13. 9 into 105 means 45. 4 9 45, x power 13. That is the answer. Okay, copy that problem. They asked to find 10th term in the expansion 3p by 4 minus 5q whole power 14. So it is in the form of x minus a whole power n. N is given 14. N is given 14. X is given 3p by 4. A is given 5q. They are asking 10th term. 10th term is, see, between minus is a general formula I have in the expansion TR plus 1. In this expansion general term formula TR plus 1 is extra minus 1 whole power r will come. NCR first x power difference of the both n minus r, a power suffix number r. Learn the general term formula and application nana. You have to learn it. 10th term you want, right? So 10th term, that means T9 plus 1. So minus 1, r is a 9. So minus 1 whole power 9. NCR, that is n plus 1, how much you have? 14. 14C 9. X means first term 3p by 4 whole power 14 minus 9 into 5q whole power 9. So there is a minus 1 whole power odd number is minus 14C 9. 9 is the half of the more than 14. So that can be written as 14C 14 minus 9. That is a 14C 5. 14C 5. 3p by 4 whole power 14 minus 5 is 5. 5q whole power 9. like you have to leave it. Since the bigger numbers you have, so you can leave it, no problem. You have to practice more number of problems in this model. Practice basic problems practice chese meeku remaining problems anni vastayina. If you want, you have to simplify that answer, no problem, we get the answer, we get 14C5 means you can see this minus 14 decreased by 5 times, 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 into 10 by 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 3 power 5, p power 5, 4 power 5, 5 power 9, q power 9. Now I can simplify. 4 3s are 12, cancel it. 5 2s are 10, cancel. 11 13s are 143. 143 14s are 143 14s are 2002. We get final answer, we have minus of 2002 into 3 power 5 into 5 power 9 by 4 power 5 into p power 5 into q power 9. Like that you can leave it, no problem. Copy the problem. See the question. 7th term in the expansion they are asking. Obviously it is in the form of x plus a whole power n. N equal to 14, x is a 4 by x cube, a have x square by 2. They are asking the find the 7th term. We know the tr plus 1 between plus sign, so directly can write the formula NCR x power n minus r a power r. Now coming to 7th term t7. T7 can be done t6 plus 1. Apply the formula. In place of n is 14, 14c6. X is 4 by x cube whole power 14 minus 6 into x square by 2 whole power 6. 14c6. 14c6 means 14 decreased by 6 times. 6 is not half of the more than 14. So directly can apply. 14 decreased by 6 times. 14 into, like that you can, otherwise you can have to leave it 14c6. 4 power 14 minus 6 is 8. X cube whole power 8. X cube whole power 8. 8 3 is 24. X square whole power 6 means 12 by 2 power 6. This is cancel it. So 12 will get x power 12, 14c6. 2 square whole power 16. 2 square whole power 8 means 2 power 16 by x power 12 into 2 power 6. A power m by a power n, a power m minus n, 2 power 6 by 2 power 2 power 16 by 2 power 6 nothing but 14c6, 2 power 16 minus 6 by x power 12. 14c6, 2 power 10 by x power 12 is the answer. This type of problems you have to learn. You can do the problems. Second bit cheppin tarvata fifth bit cheptunanu. I am explaining after second, fifth one. So third and fourth you can try with your own. Third problem and fourth problem you can try with your own. Homework, you can do the homework. Coming to the problem, they are asking the question, they find the third term from the end. They are asking the question, third term from the end. Rth term, we know the one formula I have, rth term from the end equal to n minus r plus 2th term from the beginning. Term from the beginning. Rth term from the end equal to n minus r plus 2th term from the beginning. Okay. Now n is what is given. It is in the form of x minus a whole power n. N equal to 8. X is the x power minus 2 by 3. A is given 3 by x square. So n is given 8. So Third term r is a 3. Third term from the end. N is 8, r is 3 plus 2th term means 8 plus 2 10, 10 minus 3 7th term from beginning. So you have to find the 7th term. TR plus 1 formula. We know that between minus here, so minus 1 whole power r, NCR x power difference of the both n minus r, a power r. So T7 can be T6 plus 1. So r is the 6 now, minus 1 whole power 6. N is 8, 8c 6. X means x power minus 2 by 3. Whole power difference of the both 8 minus 6. A is 3 by x square. Whole power 6. That is the minus power even number plus 8c6 means 8c 8 minus 6. That is 8c2. 6 value is half of the more than n means half of the more than 8. So you have to apply the form logic 8c2. A power m whole power n, that is x power minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. 8 minus 6 is 2. 3 power 6 by x square whole power 6 means x power 12. So this is the 8c2 means 8 decreased by 2 times. 8 into 6 7 by 2 into 1. X power minus 4 by 3. 3 power 6 by x power 12. Now 2 4s are 4 7s are 28 into 3 power 6. A power m by a power n. A power m minus n, that means x power, otherwise divided by x power 12 plus 4 by 3. So 28 into 3 power 6 by 12 plus 4 by 3. 12 plus 4 by 3 means 3 12 is 36. 36 plus 4 40. 40 by 3. X power 40 by 3. Can do it. Copy the problem. Coming to see the next question, 7th bit. Find the 4th term from the end. 4th term from the end. We know that rth term from the end. From end equal to n minus r plus 2th term from the beginning. So n is 8. It is the form of x plus a whole power n. Then place n equal to 8. So they are asking 4th term. 4th term means from end equal to n minus r. N is 8. 8 minus 4 plus 2th term from the beginning. So n minus r plus 2 means 8 plus 2, 10, 10 minus 4, 6th term from the beginning. Now TR, we know the TR plus 1. Between you have plus sign, so you can take plus 6. NCR, x power difference of the both n minus r, a power r. T6th means you have to write T6, 6 can be written as something plus 1, T5 plus 1. Now r is the 5, n is 8, apply the formula 8c5. X means first term 2a power 8 minus 5. Second, a means 5b whole power 5. So NCR is NC n minus r. When r value is half of the more than n, you can apply this formula. 5 is half of the more than 8, so 8c5 can be written as 8c 8 minus 5, that is 8c3, 2a whole cube into 5b whole power 5. 8c3 can be written as 8 decreased by 3 times, 8 into 7 into 6 by 3 into 2 into 1. 2 cube means 8. into a cube into 5b whole power 5. So 3 to the 6 cancel it. 8 8 is 64. 64 into 7. 64 into 7. 48 7 6 a cube 5 power 5 b power 5. Okay, copy the problem. Four 48 है ना. Coming to next question, write down and simplify the sixth term. They ask him only sixth term. They not ask the from the end. So given expansion is in the form 2x by 3 plus 3x by 2 whole power 6. It is in the form of x plus a whole power n. Obviously n is 6. X is 2x by 3 and a is 3x by 2. They are asking to find sixth term. We know the formula TR plus 1. You have between plus, so directly can I write NCR x power difference of the both n minus r a power r. This is the general term. So they are asking sixth term is 6 can be written as something plus 1, 5 plus 1. Now in place of r is 5. In place of n is 6. 6c5. First term is 2x by 3 whole power 6 minus 5 into 3x by 2 whole power r means 5. NCR equal to NC n minus r. Again repeat chesana. You have to apply this formula. This formula only you can apply. Apply Sunday. Again repeat chesana. NCR equal to NC n minus r. This formula ni r value is the half of the more than n unnappude apply cheyandi. R value is the half of the more than n. Then only you have to apply this formula, otherwise don't apply that formula. 6c5, 5 is the half of the more than 6, so 6c5 can be as 6c, 6 minus 5, that is 6c1. So this is 6c1, 2 by 2x by 3 into 3 power 5 x power 5 by 2 power 5. So 6, 3 power 5 by 3 means 4. 2 power 5 2 cancel, 4 will get 3 power 4 x power 5 by 2 power 4, 2 into 2 cube, so 2 3s are, that is the 3 power 5. 3 power 5 means 3 power 4 is 81, 81 into 3 243 and x power 5 by 2 cube means 8. That is the answer. Okay Nana, now coming to that, copy the problem.